This is the ultimate recipe for loading a film Leica. I tested 27,000 different ways, and this is the best. And yes, this is a tribute video to the Godfather himself, James Hoffmann. So first, I like to prepare the film. Here I've got some FOMO 100 from One Lot Film. I'm going to pause the video for a second. So what I'm about to show you is that I'm going to use my fingers to rewind the film until the leader starts to pull back into the canister. I'm just removing the internal slack inside the canister. And then I'm just going to show you with a little tug of the leader that everything's nice and tight inside. There's no slack anymore. Okay, so now the film's ready. Now when we slide the film in, typically it'll just go all the way in. I can tell it's all the way in because I can see this full metal bar. But occasionally, because of the way that the teeth on the canister and the teeth of the rewind knob are crashing into each other, it won't go all the way in. So the solution is just a little turn on either end, the film side or the rewind crank side. Just a little adjustment so that it slides all the way in. All right, now let's check in on the other side of the camera. So ultimately what we're going for looks just like this diagram on the bottom. If you look at my three prongs, they're not quite turned the same. Now, it's not really critical, but again, we're going with the ultimate technique that we know is going to work. The film advance lever is ratcheted, and so you can make small advancements and get those three prongs to look just like that. So here is me doing that. There. And then just to show you here what I mean by little ratcheting movements, right? You can just do that and get those three prongs to be in just the right orientation. Now, is this critical? Usually not. But again, we're going for the ultimate recipe here. Now let's start putting this together. I'm going to slide the film in. Now I like my leader short just to get it in, but I'm not going to put it all the way in. I'm going to leave a little bit out that I can grab with my fingers, and I'm going to pull it across into those three prongs and get it into position just like the diagram on the bottom. And here I am just checking it. Pretty good match. Making sure that it went all the way in. Checking it again. And now here, an optional little step to check to see if those prongs are in the film sprockets. They don't have to be exact, but they should be somewhere in the neighborhood. I think you know what this step is. And now, the moment of truth. When I press the shutter in advance, I should see the film rewind knob, turn. And again, because I took the slack out of the film to start, I should get this immediately. I shouldn't need to fire multiple shots to start seeing it. Click, advance, and there it is. See it again? Yep. At this point, I'm good to go, but just to really check, I can feel that tension there. And I'll fire one more just to really, really see it. Okay. Ready to go.